We are at Green Hills, going to celebrate the birthday of Manong. We are eating at House of Minis. Let's get some steak. This is the menu. Specialties of the house. Steak, mini, and regular. Let's see what we will order. Are we hungry? Okay, the soup is here. We got our steak and the dinner roll with butter. Let's start eating. After the soup, we have salad. Yum, yum, yum. For the main course, we have the tenderloin chips. Let's eat. Oh no, it's so foggy.
And chicken.
Yum yum. Do you want something sweet after the heavy meal? What do we have? We have ice cream, but it has melted already. Yummy sweets.